Cheers from Ed over at Antique Toys. Alright, jokingly, I'm going to go for a Guinness Book of World Records with the beautiful unique art Howdy Doody, the unique art little Abner band, dog patch band, and then the Strauss Ham and Sam. My joke ties into this. We're going to run them all at the same time. So hold your ears or enjoy. But it'll be a unique experience. All right. Fun stuff. All right, just to see. Howdy Doody in detail. Ah, yes, that hurts the ears. I apologize. Ham and Sam in detail. And then we have little Abner with Daisy. So, cheers from Ed and Antique Toys. Take care.